From the best Turkish recipe channel, Homemade Milk Burger. Your kids will love it. First, take a deep bowl, then mix 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of sugar with a beater. Now add a glass of milk, 7 tablespoons of flour, a packet of vanilla, a packet of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Keep on mixing till it's smooth. Oil the pancake pan with a little oil. Pour just a tablespoon of mixture as you see. When the dough leavens, turn the mold as you see. For pudding, mix 1½ glass of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1½ tablespoon of starch, a packet of vanilla in a pot. Stir it with stirring constantly. Add 150 gram mild cream cheese and mix. After the pudding cools, spread it between 2 pancakes as you see. My daughter's favorite recipe, homemade milk burger, is ready. Good appetite! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!